If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Before creating a PDF within the Excel, PowerPoint, or Word desktop apps, first set the properties to apply to the PDF by using the Preferences button in the Create Adobe PDF button group on the Acrobat tab of the ribbon. We will examine the PDF conversion preferences for Excel, PowerPoint, and Word in the next chapter. To create a PDF in the desktop versions of Excel, PowerPoint, or Word, click the Create PDF button in the Create Adobe PDF button group at the left end of the Acrobat tab in the ribbon. If using PowerPoint or Word, the application then opens the Save Adobe PDF File As dialog box. Use this dialog box to select the folder into which to save the resultant PDF. Enter its file name into the file name field, and then click the Save button to finish. Alternatively, if using Excel, the application then opens the Acrobat PDF Maker dialog box instead. This dialog box lets you select the content in the Excel workbook to convert to PDF and set the page conversion options. To select the Excel workbook content to convert to PDF, choose an option button in the Conversion Range section of this dialog box. Choosing Entire Workbook converts all worksheets in the workbook. Choosing Selection converts only the selected cells. Choosing Sheets converts selected worksheets in the workbook. If you choose the Sheets option, then the names of all the sheets in the workbook appear in the Sheets in Excel list. The names of the sheets to convert appear in the Sheets in PDF list to the right. Click a sheet name in either list and then use the Add, Remove, Add All, Move Up, or Move Down buttons in the Sheet Selection and Arrange button groups between the two lists to add, remove, and reorganize the sheets within the Sheets in PDF list. This list determines which sheets to convert to PDF and in which order they appear. To choose how the selected Excel content fits in the PDF pages, select an option button in the Conversion Options section. Selecting Actual Size converts the Excel content at its actual size. Selecting Fit to Paper Width scales the content to fit the width of the PDF page. Selecting Fit Worksheet to a single page scales the content to fit the entire worksheet on a single PDF page. To finish and convert the selected Excel content, click the Convert to PDF button to then launch the Save Adobe PDF File As dialog box. As when converting PDFs in PowerPoint and Word, then use this dialog box to select the folder into which to save the resultant PDF and enter its name into the file name field. Then click the Save button to finish and save the PDF. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.